In this video, we're diving into how to add proof tracking code to your website. And by the end, you'll have it all set up to track customer actions and increase conversions with ease. Proof is a powerful tool that can help build trust on your site and drive more sales by displaying real-time social proof, such as showing recent purchases or signups. It's an absolute game changer for marketers and business owners looking to boost engagement and credibility. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can try Proof completely free through the first link in the description, with some exclusive bonuses just for you. So if you're serious about taking your site's credibility to the next level, don't miss out. Now, let's jump right into it. To add proof tracking code to your website, you first need to sign up for a proof account. Once you've logged in, head over to your dashboard and click on the Settings tab. Under Settings, you'll find a section called Installation. This is where we'll get the tracking code you need to implement on your site. The tracking code itself is a small snippet of JavaScript that you'll need to copy. It's like a little digital messenger that tells Proof when to show social proof notifications based on the actions users take on your site. Next, you'll go into your website's backend and paste the tracking code in the header section of your website. Most website platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or custom HTML sites allow you to edit the code directly from the backend. In WordPress, for example, you can do this by going to the theme's header section and pasting the code right before the closing tag. If you're using Shopify, you would go to the online store section, then themes, and edit the code in the theme.liquid file. Once the tracking code is installed, you'll need to configure the settings within Proof. You can choose how you want the social proof to appear on your site, whether it's purchase notifications, recent activity, or anything else. You'll also want to make sure that the triggers for displaying notifications are set up properly. This means deciding if you want the notifications to appear after a certain action, like when someone adds an item to their cart or when someone completes a form. Proof makes it simple to target specific pages or products where you want social proof to show up. By customizing this, you can increase your conversion rates by showing proof when visitors are most likely to convert, whether that's on a high-converting landing page or a product page. After you've set up your tracking code and social proof notifications, it's important to test everything. Proof has a built-in preview feature that lets you see how notifications will appear on your site before they go live. Make sure the tracking code is firing properly by checking if the proof notifications show up as expected on your site. Here's a pro tip. It's crucial to monitor how the social proof is affecting your visitors. Proof provides detailed analytics that show you how visitors interact with the notifications. This data can help you tweak and optimize your campaigns over time, making sure you're getting the most out of the software. As you continue using Proof, you'll likely find more ways to customize it to your needs. Whether it's adjusting the look and feel of notifications or fine-tuning the triggers for better performance, Proof offers tons of flexibility. One more thing, don't forget that this entire process can be done for free through the exclusive link below. It's a no-brainer if you're looking to boost conversions and create an engaging experience for your site's visitors. That's it. Now you know how to add proof tracking code to your website and start using it to create social proof and drive conversions. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial linked in the description and get started today.